Hi, barmaids. Welcome back to IGTV. Excuse me, malfunctions here. But welcome back. Today we're making a vodka screwdriver. The difference? I don't get the difference, but they're both in the same family. So it's both vodka drinks. So let's get to it. First, we're going to put in 1.5 ounces of vodka into our double old-fashioned glass. And then we're going to add in our orange juice. And then we're going to give her a little stir, like so. Ooh, look at that. She looks good. Let's taste her. Okay. She's good. Okay. It's good. I can only taste the orange juice, but she good. So once again, there you have it. Another alcoholic beverage made by me. So like, comment, subscribe, follow me on IG. Until next time, I see you later. Still don't know if this gonna turn into the start back of Tipsy Tuesday and Alcoholic Free Friday. Just know that there will be mixed posts of alcohol and non-alcoholic beverages still, because I'm still looking out for my people that don't drink. I feel you. We all like things different. But yeah. Until next time, I see you guys later. Bye.